Hey guys, Dr. Major with Verve Orthodontics here. Welcome to our first video in this new series, Ortho Academy, a series of videos designed to help you with your orthodontics at home. First, let's talk about brushing our teeth. When we have braces, it's super important to make sure we brush along our gum lines. That's the secret hiding spot of sugar bugs. Angle your toothbrush up at 45 degrees and get those bristles in there. Next, we take your toothbrush under the brackets. This is where lots of food and other fun things like to hide out. See if you can get your bristles under the wire while you brush your teeth. Now let's do the same thing for the bottom teeth. Along the gum line, then on top of the brackets. Here you go. See, now you're an expert toothbrusher. Whoa, what the heck is this thing? Electric toothbrush? Seems scary. Well, it's not. All you gotta do is angle the toothbrush at your gums, then roll the head of the toothbrush on top of the brackets, just like before. See? You're still an expert. You got this. Try to take about 3 seconds per tooth. Let's play a little game. What's that food in your braces? If you don't love this game, take a proxy brush and it becomes your best friend. You can use it to clean the plaque from under your wire or get the sticky spinach out of your braces just as an added hygiene bonus to make sure your teeth stay nice and clean and healthy all day. Yep, here we go again. Don't forget about those bottom teeth. Up under the wire we go. Now, here's a neat little trick that you can use if you're having a hard time getting under the brackets with your toothbrush. I'm sorry, 1 second here. I'm getting a new report here. This just in. Floss is super important. So take out your floss threader, slide it under the wire using a C-curve, floss between every single tooth, with or without brackets. The same thing for the top teeth. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.